and go, and right now, skinny jeans are currently on the chopping block, or are they? Fashion consultant Reachal Bagley is here to show us some options that will help us stay fashionable and cool looking. Reachal, great to see you.
So good to be here.
Okay, so my #1 question, are skinny jeans still in?
Absolutely. You can wear skinny jeans as much as you want. What I would tell everyone is skinny jeans aren't gone. There's just a lot of new options arising as well.
Okay, that's a good point. So we can keep the skinny jeans in our wardrobe.
Absolutely. And there's so many good options out there still. I mean, there's lots of stuff with distressing and colors, and you can continue to experiment or just stick with your favorite brand that you've already invested in.
If you love it, just wear it, right?
Right, yes,
that's my
absolutely.
kind of thing. Okay, should we be wearing mom jeans? Why am I scared of mom jeans even though I am a mom?
Well, the funny thing about mom jeans is there's a lot of variance in how this cut is going to come out. And when you're looking at, the ones with the tons of fabric through the thighs and lots of pleating and everything, that's not a really flattering look for everybody. However, if you want to experiment with that kind of tapered look, there are some really good options out there. We have some from Zara, H&M. You're going to be able to experiment with those trends pretty inexpensively. I mean, we went to the Fashion Place Mall and found all kinds of stuff. It's really cute. And
all different styles.
And all different styles. So take the time to just try it on, look at the cut. But rather than looking for like a full balloon leg or a carrot leg or thing, look for things to stay like perfect vintage or slightly tapered. That's going to be a much more moderate interpretation on the mom jeans trend.
Okay, perfect. Are any of these mom jeans, or let's start here, like what style would this be on the end?
So this one on the end is actually a wide leg, and this one is one of my favorites that's come back. So what I love about the wide leg is it gives your legs plenty of room to live in after all that time in skinny jeans. It's nice to have a full contrast, right?
True.
And they look really long, elongating. They're elegant, easy to dress up. Over here, we have kind of a demi boot, and that's where you just take a boot cut or a flare and you kind of cut it off so you don't have to worry about wearing heels with it. You can wear your sneakers still.
Great.
Here, this is a rib cage straight. We found these at Macy's, and they're great just because they're just that classic vintage style. So it still plays on that mom jean trend, but it is a little bit more of a straight cut rather than...
We have your niece that's modeling these for us.
I
love those.
And I love how we paired up the cute little, high tops with it. It feels very sporty and fresh, but kind of timeless, you know what I mean?
But kind of timeless, it is. Yeah, you could really wear that with anything. Okay, and you have another model, is your cute sister.
Yes,
what is she wearing?
My cute sister is wearing the demi boot, which I love for a curvy figure. Like, my family, we come with hips, right? So the great thing about the boot cut is it has that little flare at the bottom to help balance out the hips. And so it looks really, just kind of balanced and proportionate, and it's great with a heel, with a flat. You can kind of do it whatever way you want.
Oh my goodness, where can we find the best jeans?
You know what, I had so much luck looking at Macy's at Fashion Place. It has great brands if you want to invest a little bit more.
Okay.
And then Zara and H&M are awesome if you want to look for a trend, or you want to just kind of tip your toe in the water without spending a ton of money. And then I always love Madewell. They've got the magic pockets that hold you in.
They're really good.
I'm never going to shy away from that. So those are some of my favorites.
You have given us the best advice, Reachal. Where can we go and find you?
You can find me at cardiganempire.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at cardiganempire, and I'll have links to all this and more information there.
You're awesome. Skinny jeans are not out. High five to that. Great to see you, Reachal. Thank you.